In this video, I'll show you how to add a member area in Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. From the main dashboard, open Pages to manage the pages on your site. Next, click the plus button to add a new page. Look for the option to add a member site or member area depending on your Squarespace version. Select it and choose the type of member content you want to offer. After that, give your member area a name and create the pages or content members will access. You can add things like courses, resources, downloads, or other exclusive content. Now configure your membership settings. Choose whether the content is free or connected to a paid membership plan. Add the appropriate pricing and access settings if you're charging members. Next, customize the member experience. Review the sign-up, login, and account settings, then make sure your member pages are restricted to the appropriate audience. Finally, preview the member area and test the sign-up and login process. Make sure a member can access the correct content and that restricted pages aren't publicly available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a member area in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.